Hi, hello, happy new year everybody. This is my first video of the year, guys. It's been a minute. I miss filming. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite natural hair products of 2017, and I've been using these products for a while, so I'm very familiar with them. And a lot of people have been asking me, Olivia, what products do you use? So this shout out to this is for my Instagram people that asked me. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram, because I drop daily tips on what to do to your hair, different treatments. So go follow my Instagram at Livia with the Fro. So let's get into this video. Don't forget to like, share this video with a friend who wants to know more about natural hair, tell them about my channel, and yeah, subscribe. And if you want to know anytime I drop a video, press that notification bell. Okay, let's get into it. Let's go. I'll be starting with shampoos first, and the first product is the Palmer's Formula Shampoo. I've been using this for a year plus now. I got it in Mauritius and I love it. Apart from the smell, it smells like coconut milk with like honey. It's perfect. When I use this shampoo, trust me, my hair feels soft even after shampooing. Most times shampoo like leave your hair stripped and dry, but this shampoo is a conditioning shampoo and it has no sulfate, none at all. No sulfate, no parabens. So yeah, this is one of my favorite shampoos. The second shampoo is this is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Cleansing Cream Shampoo. I just started using this in like August because this one was almost running out and I didn't know where to get it from. I've not seen it in Nigeria, so I decided to try this one. And I won't lie, the only thing I used to use in Cantu was their leave-in conditioner, but this shampoo is not bad at all. It also smells good. Yeah, it smells so good, and it's very, the lather is very good. It enables you to wash your hair properly, and of course it doesn't have no sulfate. I don't use products that have sulfate too. Sorry, I don't do that. You shouldn't either. Don't do it. No, don't do it. That's my Kevin Hart voice. Sorry. So yeah, this shampoo is a good one. For conditioners, I have this VO5 moisturizing conditioner. This is very affordable. I'll try and get the price, but I think I got it for like 1,900. Like, it's good. I use this to co-wash my hair. It's not like my serious conditioner. It's really good, and it's for dry scalp. If you have like dandruff and stuff, this is very good. It doesn't have much slip. I try to use it to detangle my hair. It's kind of like so if you mix it with like olive oil or coconut oil or whatever oil that you like to use, it's pretty awesome. Gang. This is my favorite conditioner in the world. Woo. This is my favorite conditioner in the world. It is the Tresemme Naturals conditioner, and this one is the Vibrantly Smooth. They have different, like, they'll write different purposes, but they're all the same thing, and it smells good. It really does smell good. It says silicone free, 10 times stronger after use, and it has jojoba oil and coconut oil, which are good oils, and no added color. I've been using this, I'm not even fronting. I first discovered this in Mauritius and I started using it since 2012, and I have been consistently using this conditioner for 5 years now. The slip is amazing. You can use it to detangle. You can use it as a base for your DIY treatment. So sometimes I put this in my DIY treatment and it's awesome, and I'm so scared. I hope I find it when it finishes, or else I will cry. My next conditioner is the Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. This is from Aunt Jackie's. I use a couple of their products and this is one of my favorites out of the whole thing. Like, when I'm done washing my hair and I put this on my hair, it leaves it very moisturized. Normally my previous leave-in conditioner, after like a day or 2 days, my hair is already brittle and getting dry, but this comes through at least 3 days for me. You tell me if it doesn't work for you, it's fine, but for me it works really good with my oils. I love it. For leave-in conditioners, there's this It's KUI or Kui, or I don't know how to pronounce it. KUI Tea Tree and Cinnamon Leave-In Conditioner. This is a Nigerian product. I was looking for something affordable. I'm always looking for something affordable because I'm on a budget. Okay, I'm on a budget. So yes, it has tea tree and cinnamon. Like when my hair is in braids or my hair is in a weave, like I tried to weave this December, go check it out on Instagram. It was, my experience with it was crazy. Follow me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me. So yeah, it has tea tree and cinnamon in it. It smells good. Like it has that tea tree tingle feeling on your hair, and it keeps your hair pretty moisturized, and it's affordable as well. I think it's about 1,500 or 1,009. I'm gonna list all the products in my description box, so calm your nerves. Calm your nerves. One of my long time ago leave-in conditioners that I still use till now is the Cantu Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. This is the one with shea, the one with shea butter. I think they have one with argan oil, but this, look guys, I don't know if you can see, it's out and it still smells good. It's out. Like, this thing is affordable, it's good. If you're on a budget, this is the one to get. It's very good. I recommend this. So I'm going to my curling creams and my gel, and the first one is the Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk from Lotta Body. Lotta Body. Which one is it? This is my first Lotta Body product. I just started trying this, and I'll give it like five stars out of 5. Like, it's good and it smells amazing. I use this for braid outs, and I use it for twist out, whatever out it is. This is also good. It helps define my curls, and it's moisturizing. Sometimes in my moisturizing my hair for my LCO method, I use this as the cream because it's good and it smells bomb. Like anytime I use it, everyone's like, oh my god, your hair smells so nice, your hair smells so nice. It's because of this. It's awesome. Next products that I use for like my twist or twist out, it's the Hydrating Sealing Butter. It's for the one I fall my hand. So yeah, it's the Flaxseed recipe, and it's from Anjaki's. This is another Anjaki product that I use, and it's good. Like, it leaves my hair moisturized, I won't even lie, and it helps with my braids and my twist outs as well. It's good. Yeah, it doesn't smell awesome, but it's good. It doesn't smell bad, but it's like, it's a product. For my curls to be popping, for my curls to be defined, I use this. This is the Curl La La Defining Curl Custard from Anjaki's as well, and it's very very good. It smells nice, and my curls are always defined. But sometimes I will tell you, you have to be careful with the kind of gel you use, because sometimes it can give you, you know, those residues in your hair. Like, the product is very sensitive. It doesn't work with other products. I think they want you to buy their gel. All these products, they'll make products so that you always have to buy their whole line of products to use it. But it smells good. It smells so good. I love hair products that smell good. Like, why would my hair be smelling like shea butter? I don't like the smell of shea butter most times. I have to deodorize it. So this is amazing for twist out, braid out, everything out. It's good. It helps your curls pop. I used it for this as well. My next product is Eco Styler Gel. This is an OG. Yeah, I've been using this for years, and it's the Eco Style Gel. I love it. It helps hold my edges, it helps with my twist, it helps with my braid outs. I'm sure everybody uses it. Like, everybody has tried it. I've tried the crystal one, the transparent one, but it didn't work out. My hair was having all those white things. This one is the bomb. It is the bomb. Next product is this. This is the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Gel. As you can see, it's still quite a lot. I just started using this last year at the end of the year, and I'm like, it's very good. It helps really define my curls, but it doesn't hold, like, I can't use it to hold my edges. It's not for that. This is just for like your twist outs, your wash and goes, and the likes of so. And guess what, guys, my favorite part about this thing, it has glitters. I don't know if anybody has seen, or I can show you. It has like some glittery sparkly thing. I like when they put all these kind of ceramic. It's very fancy. Awesome, awesome, awesome. If anybody has tried it, tell me. I'm going to oils, and for oils, my first oil is olive oil. This is my holy grail. I use olive oil. I've been using olive oil for years. I love it. Continue to love it. It keeps my hair shiny. I use it for my DIY treatments, my homemade conditioners. It promotes hair growth. It keeps your hair shiny. It makes your hair strong. Olive oil is the shit. It is. Almond oil. This is for my low porosity girls because it doesn't lay heavy on your hair. Like, it's light. Like jojoba oil, all this kind of, it's very light and it still keeps your hair moisturized. I just started using this. It's quite expensive in Nigeria, please. It's very expensive in Nigeria. Everywhere I go, like, it's costly compared to olive oil, but it is really good. This doesn't make your hair heavy. You know, there's some oils you use, everything will just be damp, your hair will just be limp and be doing limpopo. Wow, did I say that? Did I say that? Final oil is castor oil. Hey, you don't have, this is not the fancy one. I got this from the pharmacy in Mauritius and I love it. Like, it's heavy. I use for my edges when I want to do like my deep treatments. It's really good and it promotes hair growth. Come on, guys, you want your hair to grow, incorporate castor oil into your hair routine. It can be the black Jamaican castor oil. That's the one that I hear everybody talking about, but I haven't tried it. If you've tried it, let me know. I think oil stained my shirt. I'm just saying that now. Is it the design? Nope, I forgot to put this. For conditioners, this is the Cantu Deep Treatment Mask. I started using this last year and it's good, but I feel like the quantity is small. Like, I've only used it like this one, I've only used it like 4 times and or 3 times. It's almost finished. Things are cost. These are very cost in Nigeria, so I don't want it to finish. It's good. It smells. It smells good. I love the smell. I'm a sucker for smell. If the product smells good, like, I want to use it. It helps my curls bounce. When I use, my curls are coming back alive. My hair feels moisturized. I love it. I put this on my hair and leave it for like 30 minutes and that's it. Sometimes I add honey with it or olive oil just to give it a little something. For like deep conditioning, I also add glycerin. You can get it anywhere. I think you can get it in your pharmacy or in your beauty supply store. Find out for you guys though. Glycerin, this attracts moisture to your hair. Like, when I say, like, it takes the moisture out of the environment and your hair is just very moisturized. I put it in my deep conditioners. Sometimes when I want to do like a DIY leave-in conditioner, I also add like a few drops. I love it. It's very amazing. I love it. Honey is also good for moisture. This helps attract moisture to your hair. This helps you retain the moisture in your hair. I use this for my DIY conditioners. Any treatments that I can incorporate honey in it, I will always use it. This one's from Nigeria, and back home they have the authentic Obunge honeys, not the fake stuff. This is really good. I have my apple cider vinegar. Hey, this helps to restore the pH on my hair. I love it. And this is the mother one that has all the particles inside. That's the best one to get. I mix this with green tea. It helps stop shedding. Like, amazing. 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 Green tea. This is what I got this one in Nigeria. I use green tea for my hair. Yeah, I said it. It helps with shedding. Like, I just put like maybe 2 tea bags and then I use the water to rinse my hair, like I said, alongside my apple cider vinegar. So green tea is, I use it for my hair and it has helped me stop shedding. Like, sometimes my hair sheds for no damn reason and I don't get it. All this hair, sometimes it sheds. So this has helped strengthen my hair. Hair tools. My Afro peak come through. This just gives my hair the volume that I need. Like, look at this. I can't do without this in my hair routine. Like, this is an essential for every natural. After you take out, you twist out your braids, whatever style, this just helps you give it volume. You need it. You need it. I love in my hair, I love in 2017 and for life and forever, is this Vibrating massage brush. Ooh. I'm just going to stay here. I'm not recording again. I just want to massage my head. So yeah, guys, this is amazing as well. It helps create circulation on your head. This helps promote hair growth and it massages your scalp. This is very good. You need this for wash day. All of the things I didn't say, oh, you need this. Get you a massaging brush. Wow. NEPA has taken the lights. Welcome to Africa. Whoa. Whoa. Why? The final tool that I use in my natural hair, or it's not a product but it's a tool and is a must in my regimen or in my natural life. I'm telling you guys all my secrets, so I'm telling you because I love you. Is this? It's a heating cap. Yep. And it just has helped. It has changed the game. Everything that I need heat for, I use it, and this helps like my deep conditioners penetrate into my hair. It just puts the shebang in the hair routine. You need it. Or you can use a plastic cap and then put a towel over your head. That will work as well. But heating cap, I love it. You need it. Everybody needs a heating cap. Okay, so guys, that's it for all my natural hair products. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, share for more videos, for more information. Livia is your girl, Olivia is your girl. Till next time, bye guys, and I hope that you have a productive 2018. Chase your dreams, focus on your goals. Let's win. Bye guys, I'm done.